It's a light vibe, on the bright side. Man, we're really in the midst like tie-dye. Can't stop us coming up like high tide. That's a that's a drive-by. On the sin in me this big, giving that bad energy. I tend to be indifferent to the trash chemistry. I'm grimacing, no grin, sending back that enemy who's hindering, pretending to be mastering me. If you really bout it, just confess it, walk it out. Ain't no glory like it's glory, so what else you talking about? You complain about God, really that's nonsense. You can play to God, it sound like Psalm 6. You can't put band-aids on bondage, and you better never ever not pay your homage. Light up the night, we be living late. Lifted high, no flight say. Cut your vibe on sight, give 'em ready, ride or die on. Alright Thomas, you better bring them local deluxe bars, bro. Yeah.
Now you know that I'm nice with it. I'm quite wicked with the pen and I might spit it.
Man, no, I got nothing, bro. I think you gotta take this one.
Yeah, my brothers get bailed out. We lit to serve others from the church to the jailhouse. Purchased and held down, I ain't for sale now. Perpetrated the purpose, favorite spirit and dwell now. Look how he did it, out God, no chemist. My squad infinite, blood bought, authentic, verified by the true test. I'm known by your sure, so I don't need a blue check. Duplex, get wrecked, can divide the house. And if God buy us out, as we buy us now, we committed to the mission, we don't try it out. If you speak the truth in love, what you shy about? We give them light up the night, we be living late. Lifted high, no flight, say. Cut your vibe on sight, give 'em ready, ride or die on.
Jesus. I want to Jesus.